Today in this video, we take a look at a relatively special set, namely the Transformers Silver series from Hot Wheels, which wasn't even that easy to find, to be honest, because they weren't even on sale in our shops here in Switzerland, or maybe we simply mid-des that one at first glance. Also brand new as a Hot Wheels mainliner is this Transformers model, Optimus Prime as a truck. A really nice release in our opinion, and clearly a highlight from this case. Pretty detailed and well executed for a $1 model. But let's take a closer look at the actual highlight and which models are included. This is the real reason why we bought the set in the first place. The Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. Because Hot Wheels and Bugatti, that always means something special that is also stable in value. The 4 out of 5 is the character called Drift. At the back you can see the other vehicles and characters, but unfortunately we have no idea who appeared where in which film. We're not familiar enough with the franchise to be fair. These are the 5 vehicles from the set. In any case, the car design only differs from the good and bad Transformers. The Autobots have one design, the Decepticons the other. More could definitely have been made of this, like a card art for each character, for example. What do you think? Let's take a closer look at the 5 models. Our conclusion: all 5 models are actually quite unique due to their design and the Transformers logos on the vehicles. You can safely unpack the cars, as the car design doesn't appeal to us at all. Our highlight is and remains the Bugatti, which definitely has collector's potential. But what do you think? Which model do you think is the best, and would you still get this set? Don't forget to activate the bell and follow us so that you don't miss any more videos. Happy collecting, everyone. Cheers.